going to do something real controversial, especially since I'm an Indian. I'm going to enter Pakistan. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, he's driving now. So I know you might think like, why are we shooting in the night? But it's actually only
6:30.
Oh my god. It's only 6:30 right now and it already feels like it's like 9:30. But that's how the weather here in Dubai is nowadays. But it's perfect time because we are going to Global Village.
Yay!
Jason is not very excited apparently, but don't worry, once he sees all the
That's
food
because
over
of the
there.
traffic.
This is like no traffic, okay? You're used to Bombay traffic.
Yeah, compared to
Yeah.
that, this is
So
nothing.
yeah, we are just on our way to go to Global Village, and from what my friends tell me, is that there's loads of food, loads of
Yeah, we're pretty
knickknacks. Yes, very very hungry.
How
And
hungry?
Hella hungry.
She always says that, right?
Yeah. And yeah, I can't, like, he doesn't feed me on time. What can I do?
No, it's not that. We just came back from doing groceries and then she realized, oh, I have 100 dirhams voucher for Forever 21.
Yeah, I had to utilize that, so we had to come back again. Sorry. I have, like, girls, comment down below and let me know. Will you give up on 100, which is like 2,000 rupees at Forever 21? No. So we are very hungry, on our way to Global Village, and see you there. तो गार्लिक नान में चीज डाल दो ना, बस वही ऊपर से।
चीज
आप गार्लिक नान में ऊपर से बटर डालते हो? अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे लिए ये कढ़ाई पनीर और लच्छा पराठा। ठीक है। आपको इनकी हिंदी कैसे लगी? बढ़िया बोलते ना हिंदी?
I find it a little bit disappointing that you come all the way to a global village and then you still eat local.
I'm eating my local. I'm not eating local UAE food.
That's what I mean, obviously.
I am desi.
That's what I
As
mean.
much as I have married to a foreigner, I am very much a desi. I'm very happy eating desi food, rather only eating desi food.
Wow. I think it's a little bit disrespectful.
Desi represent! Because I've already stolen a part of Europe, So I'm just going to see what's left over. So Thai fruits counter is right there because Thailand is just right outside Europe. These are only for 10 dirhams. I know you all think that this will not fit me, but this will because this is stretch, okay? I can see the judgment in Jason's eyes right now.
I'm looking at the screen. I'm not saying anything.
I can sense the judgment, but it's okay.
Video?
Video. Shruti, what? I'm from the Netherlands.
Where?
From the Netherlands.
Video?
Guess?
From India.
No, you
Oh,
shouldn't have said.
sorry.
Now you have to guess where he's from.
Where are you from?
I think you are from Morocco.
No.
No? I don't know.
What?
Jordan.
No.
Then I
Oh my
don't know.
god.
You're from Europe.
Where are you from?
I'm from Syria.
Syria. Yeah, just next door.
Yeah.
He just came to visit.
Yeah.
But what are we doing here?
What would you guess? Where am I from? What would you have guessed?
I know. When you speak,
Yeah, but if I don't speak,
I know your eyes Indian.
ये इसको तो अभी बेचने का ही है. ये बोलेगा.
मालूम है.
हाँ, मालूम है.
तो मालूम है.
What are you doing right now?
I'm going to do something real controversial, especially since I'm an Indian. I'm going to enter Pakistan. Don't tell anyone. I have crossed the Pakistan border. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out. इतनी ठंड होती है पाकिस्तान में?
हाँ ना, आप पाकिस्तान से हो आप?
नहीं.
पाकिस्तान में होती है, माइनस में चलती है, मतलब स्नो होती है।
कहाँ पे?
पर अशनार हो गया, कोयटा हो गया।
मतलब मैं इंडिया से हूँ तो वहाँ पे भी कुछ कुछ जगह पे होती है, पर मैं जहाँ से हूँ वहाँ पे इतनी ठंडी बिल्कुल नहीं होती.
कराची में नहीं होती, हम कराची में हैं।
अच्छा हाँ.
होती है, मगर इतनी नहीं होती। दुबई से अच्छी होती है। मतलब दुबई में तो होती ही नहीं ना।
हाँ वही. So I just asked him, shisha hai? And Jason is like, but why would you ask him for shisha? Do you want to chill over here? And I had to tell Jason, shisha means mirror.
So how was it, the visit to Pakistan?
My visit to Pakistan was very eye-opening. I realized that people beyond the borders are as similar to us as we are to them. I don't know if this was a true representation of Pakistan, but they definitely had like a lot of winter coats and a lot of really pretty like dress materials. I would have loved to like get dress material, but honestly the stitching cost here in Dubai is going to be so much more. Unless I was going to pick up all these items and go back to India to like get them stitched, it didn't make sense for me to like get dress material. So yes, my trip to Pakistan was pretty eventful.
Told her we have to do at least one thing out of the comfort zone.
What did I walk into?
So we just came out of this. How do you feel right now?
My hands are like shivering right now. In this, at the end, they play I feel good. Na, 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 na. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. I feel. Na, na, family, what should we name her? Blue eyes, hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू. I swear कुछ भी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लगती मैनू. Oh ये lips, oh ये trips, baby लगती है killer. Oh yeah, kill करे तेरा बॉम्ब figure. That we did for today. It's almost 1 o'clock. I know. We've been here since what time? 6:30. Yeah. And it's closing time. So I still didn't see India caught and Africa. So maybe next time. And yeah, let's go home. Hi guys. So we are now in the car going back home. And Global Village was such an awesome experience, and I honestly did not expect to go on a lot of rides. I just thought that I will tell Jason, oh why don't you go, we'll need anyways one person to film everything, like let me be that person and let me be like, you know, a little wuss like that. He then gave me all these judgy looks and he was like, are you a pussy? And I'm like, yeah. But yeah, it was great fun to be on all those rides. So a definite yes from my side for anyone who wants to visit Global Village. And also one of the guys over there told me that it is on till 5th of April. So if any of you guys are visiting Dubai any time during that time, ensure that you have your complete evening off to really be able to go through all the stalls in Global Village and enjoy and relish even all the foods over here, because it's like amazing. I think we both agree that the food was very good.
Yeah.
The food was exceptionally good. And yeah, I have to say that Global Village was such a fun experience, and we both are very tired and ready to call it a night. And I guess that is all for today. And subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say,
keep it bossy.
keep it bossy.